Hello everyone, this is my 1996 Cadillac Fleetwood. Beautiful vehicle. We bought this not long ago and I'm just cleaning it up. It was in good shape, but obviously parked under something that left sap spots all over the vinyl roof, and I have really struggled to get this off. In fact, I've already tackled some of this and still these spots remain, and it's not as easy as taking it off of the rest of the vehicle like the paint. I was able to do that quite easily using my secret weapon, isopropyl alcohol. This is what I use to get sap off. It basically melts it off. It's fantastic stuff to use to get it off the paint, but I'm struggling on this. I've tried all kinds of things. I've tried my mother's VLR. I love this stuff for cleaning leather seats inside. I've tried scrub brushes. I've tried this and that. I'm finally having some success in this area, as you see. And here's what I'm doing. I'm taking the isopropyl alcohol and I'm soaking a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And I'm just very gently scrubbing these away. So let's start with this spot right here. Let me do this spot here. Need to let the isopropyl alcohol soak in a little bit and work. Oh, this one's being stubborn, isn't it? See, as soon as I bring the camera out. Okay, so I'm being very careful, trying not to scrub too much with this. And it's starting to come off now, so what I did was take the isopropyl alcohol and just soak the area a little bit. Let it soak in a little bit. And again, very lightly, I'm trying, there you go. You can see it starting to work now on these spots. Especially this one. This one was soaking longer, the back one not so much. Yeah, it is starting to work now. So let's tackle this spot live here. I've soaked it a little bit. Put a little more on. There you go, you can see it starting to dissolve now. Go back and forth in a few different spots. Yeah, there you go. So I'm going to soak it. Okay, so I had to let it soak for a while. And now that I've done that, this area has come up quite well. So there's this area here now. I'm happy with that. So make sure you mop up all the alcohol at the end. You can take, this is my mother's VLR, and I'm going to spray the area and I'm going to wipe it down. After I'm done all of this, I'm going to go over the entire vinyl roof with mother's VLR and a new clean Mr. Clean Eraser, and that's my secret on vinyl and leather seats as well. Brings them up terrific. So that is not bad considering I started with that. Now I have that. You can still see there's a few spots left, but I'm pretty happy with that. So I hope that helps someone else because I struggled with this.